What's going on, guys? So the first thing I want to go over is don't get discouraged. This business is not easy, but it's also not hard. But what is very easy is for you to get discouraged. So make sure you stay consistent with marketing, consistent with making offers. This business is like a big puzzle piece, and eventually the pieces will come together and the business will actually start producing you deals. You just got to get past your initial phase. So the first thing, definitely just stay consistent, stay motivated, and do not get discouraged. Make sure you stick around for the third tip, because the third tip will actually help you close your first deal really fast. Guys, please do me a big favor, like this video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. The second tip, I want you to focus on finding vacant land. There is no competition. People do not want to flip land. And there's a lot of buyers out there that will actually buy it, and you'll make the same amount, if not more, on a land deal than what you would on a house deal. So the great thing with land, you can actually land your first deal with land. You see what I did there? You can land your first deal with land within 30 to 45 days. And that is almost a guaranteed land. You can literally filter your results to people who don't live in the state, who owns a vacant lot or acreage. And these people are more inclined to sell it at a discount because it's just land. It's just sitting there. It's just vacant dirt. They don't have an emotional attachment like they would with houses. So go after vacant land, especially if you haven't got your first deal yet. I want you to go after vacant land because you're going to get your first deal really quick, and that's going to turn into that snowball effect where you can use that money to start putting into your marketing, to start finding house deals as well. And you can build a massive business by getting your first deal. So go after land and get your first deal. Now, the last thing that I want you to do is I want you to pick one market. When I say one market, I want you to pick one county. Make sure there's data in that county. If you don't know how to figure that out, just message me. But pick one county. And what you're going to do is go and build a buyer's list in that county. Get at least 50 buyers on your list. It's going to take a little time. It might take a few days, a few hours to get this list built up. But I want you to get actual buyers. Don't rely on these people in these Facebook groups that say they're buyers, because most of them aren't. There's maybe one out of every 50 that say they're a buyer are actually a buyer. So just make sure whatever market you're going in, you have at least 50 buyers. That is going to be key to you closing a deal really fast within 30 to 45 days. So building a buyer's list is like a gold mine for you as well, because if you have a strong buyer's list, anytime you have other wholesalers who are having a hard time finding a legit buyer in your market, you can JV with them and make a pretty decent amount of money by having a really strong buyer's list. If you need one-on-one help with learning how to wholesale houses, I've been helping people build businesses for the last 5 years. If you want one-on-one help and actually get your first deal, I don't have a course. I actually offer one-on-one coaching live.